Hey guys, it's back to school for my preteen daughter, and I swear we just did this a few months ago. How is time passing by so quickly, guys? Let's get Olivia ready for her first day of 6th grade. Look at all this hair, guys. Call her Natural 12 because she's coming for my brand with all this hair. To prepare for this styling session, I washed and conditioned her hair using the Melanin Haircare African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo and Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner to detangle. She needed a thorough deep conditioning treatment, so I opted for my Plumping Deep Conditioner. And yes, I too am running low, guys. The restocks are coming soon, I promise you. I'm gonna be blow drying her hair, so I'm applying a lightweight heat protectant to help protect her curls from any heat damage. I'm using the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray, although today we're using the Reverse Blow Dryer, which is super gentle on the hair. I don't really have to worry much about heat damage using the Revere, but you can never be too safe when it comes to any type of heat. Spraying that all over, and now it's time to blow dry. I'm splitting the hair into 2 halves, clipping one half out of the way, and covering that half with the plastic cap so that her hair doesn't dry out too quickly. When using the Revere, it's best to start with wet hair, so we're going to keep it nice and wet under the plastic cap. I'm grabbing a decent sized section, not too big, but not too small. It should be about the same diameter of the Revere wand. Guys, I just did an entire video with all my tips to get your best Revere blowout. It's a must watch, so be sure to watch that video after this one if you want some extremely helpful tips to get the most out of your Revere device, as well as protect your investment and learn how to properly care for it. This video is sponsored by my friends at Revere, and today I'm gonna show you how this machine makes my life so much easier when it comes to styling my daughter's hair. So first things first, I thoroughly detangle the section. I'm gonna set the Revere suction to level 5 on high heat for Olivia's type 4 silky coils. I turn it on and let the suction work its magic. We discussed in my last video why it's important to not pump the hose up and down. As you can see here, I'm just running it slowly back and forth over her roots to make sure the entire section is treated. And once it's dry, just slowly pull the Revere wand down to release the hair, and you've got beautiful, smooth, straight, blown out hair. I'm gonna repeat this simple process on medium to large sections all over her head, making sure that the sections are no larger than what the hose can easily fit. I've been a Revere superfan since they first launched in 2018. I was one of the first influencers to get to try this machine, and I fell in love at first try. It's just such a simple and easy way to get stretched, blown out hair with little to no effort. My daughter has a very sensitive scalp just like me, and I love that I don't have to use hard brushes on her hair, pulling and tugging at her hair cuticles to get the stretched, blown out results that we're looking for. If you can pick up a bottle, you are now skilled to use the Revere Reverse Blow Dryer. I recommend this product to anyone with wavy, curly, coily, and kinky hair types that enjoys going between curly and straight hair for versatility, and especially to those who may have dexterity issues, or to those who find that they're just not that skilled in using a traditional blow dryer and blow dryer brush. If you find that you're always fumbling with a traditional blow dryer, or that you're ripping out a lot of your hair when you use a traditional blow dryer and heat brush, definitely give the Revere a try. There's no snagging or pulling with a comb or a brush. There's no hot heat directly on your scalp, face, or neck, and it's gentle enough to use weekly if you need it, while still being able to preserve your natural curl pattern. Okay, so this first side is complete and her hair is looking shiny, smooth, and stretched. I'm going to take out the second side and repeat the same exact process. First, here's a quick comparison so you can see the difference between her coily, shrunken hair and her hair when it's blown out using the Revere. So her hair already has the heat protectant on it. I'm detangling each medium to large size section with the suction on level 5 and the heat on high. I'm helping the device suck up that entire section of hair. Now, I'm not going to pump the wand up and down. I'm going to leave it where it is and simply move it side to side to get all the roots. And once it's dry, I release the section to reveal smooth, stretched hair. And that's it. That's literally how easy it is to blow dry your hair when using the Revere Reverse Blow Dryer. As a busy mom, I couldn't imagine Olivia's wash days without this device. It has truly made my life so much easier. Alright, so now she gets to choose what look she wants for her first day, and she chose loose waves. I gave her the option of Bantu knots for tighter waves or French braids for looser waves. She asked me which one takes longer. I told her the Bantu knots take longer, so now I'll be styling her hair in French braids. Honestly, this girl despises wash day. She always has. Look at that face. Ridiculous. And she's done. Splitting the hair down the middle, I'm going to set her loose waves using a bit of the Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Style Cream, which is going to help lock in that texture. And yes, I too am now on my travel size jar. I'm working that in from ends to roots, and I'm following it up with the Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend to help silken the hair and seal the moisture in. Starting from the top and working my way down, I'm doing a simple French braid. Starting with 3 sections in the front, I braid the hair down, and I'm adding in smaller sections as I progress down. As I braid, I'm smoothing the hair down to help reinforce those cuticles closed. That's just going to help the hair to get as much shine as possible. And before I hit the very ends of her hair, I'm going to stop braiding and secure the braid with a gentle elastic hair tie. Her hair is very thick and all one length, so getting a sleek braid at the very ends is pretty difficult. Instead of fighting her hair, I secure the braid closed right before it starts to get difficult to braid. I'm going to take each of those 3 sections from the braid and I'm twisting them individually and securing each twist with a gentle elastic hair tie. This is going to ensure that I get some definition on the ends and that it's not too frizzy. And that's it. It looks like a cute little art piece. And once more, can we just look at that shine? I can't get over it. All right, let's repeat the same process on the other side. Reinforcing the braided texture by working in some twist elongating style cream, silkening the hair and sealing the moisture in using the Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend, and then starting at the top and working my way down, I French braid the hair, adding in small sections as I work down. Right before it starts to get difficult to braid at the ends, I secure the braid closed using a gentle hair tie, and then I'm going to take each of the 3 small sections from the braid and I'm going to twist them individually for definition and secure each twist on the end with a gentle elastic hair tie. And that's it. This is a super cute look on its own, and if the weather was poor the next day, she could have just worn this to school as well. Bye. But it's the next day, the weather is good, it's time to release her French braids and reveal the softest, silkiest waves. Olivia is so simple. She doesn't like a lot of glam. She's a laid-back skater girl at heart, and so I'm not surprised she chose the loose waves as her preferred first day look. Her hair looks beautiful, healthy, and most importantly, she feels beautiful. Now, because I'm not new at this and I know what's going to happen with the front of her head when she gets home after a full day of playing with her friends, I'm going to go ahead and create 2 simple twists at the front of her head, and I'm going to bring them around to the back, securing them in place with 2 crisscross bobby pins. And now this is just going to make sure that she still looks neat throughout the day. And there you have it. My big 6th grader is ready for school. I truly couldn't achieve these quick wash days and stretched hairstyles without the Rivera Reverse Blow Dryer. If you haven't yet tried one, I'm here to tell you that it's a hair tool investment that you will not regret. I'm going to place a link in the description box to pick yours up with a 10% discount. And thank you so much to Rivera Reverse Blow Dryer, the sponsor of today's video. And a happy back to school to all the parents, guardians, and school kids watching. Olivia, Theo, and I are wishing you all a safe and successful school year. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.